I've really enjoyed this saw a lot, and it has helped me out quite a bit, especially at the cabin when the tree fell on the pier. And then came the day when I dropped it in the water. I was able to dry it out and get it to work again. And then I went on to use it on my new property, clearing off the barn and also clearing a lot of the property around the barn. I've also been able to use it building fences. And then came that fateful day when I tried to cut down a tree that was as big around as my waist. Little more than that 10-inch saw could handle. There we go. Okay, right in here, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teeth that are still good. And you can see all these other ones are just stripped plumb out. And then over here, you can see the gear, the metal shavings and all the oil. And then inside of this case, you can see more of the same right here, all the stripped out stuff. So this gear has to be replaced. So I got on eBay and I bought a used one that was represented in like new working condition. Looks like they packed it pretty good for being a used one. Boy, it's been a long time since I've seen my saw look like that. Mine is quite, I don't know if you can tell there, the sun's coming through that window, but it's got a greasy haze on it from all the oil and stuff where it slings it from using it, and I've used it quite a bit. This one, wow, that thing looks just about as close as brand new can be. Yeah, it's got oil in it, so somebody used it or tested it out. Wow. Well, even though the saw looked amazing, it was at this point that I decided to grab a battery and try it out. Unfortunately, I tried to take a video of it and the video didn't take and I didn't realize it. However, when I put the battery on there, all I got was a high-pitched whine. I tried multiple batteries, but to no avail. I immediately emailed the seller and told him that there was a problem and that we needed to find some kind of resolution. As soon as I had done that, I started to take the saw apart to find out what was wrong with it. I knew that probably under no condition would I send it back, because if I could take the two saws and make one working saw, I would still come out ahead. I also want to apologize for the camera angle that you're looking at. This video was originally intended as something for me to reference in case I had trouble getting it back together. Also, it was a little bit of an afterthought as to whether or not I would actually use it to create the video that you're now watching. And the beginning footage that you saw was recaptured highlights, so the quality may not be quite as good as what you had originally seen. There's the gear. It's in good shape, but I got to get this motor out and replace it with the old motor. And this one should be the good one. What you're looking at here is the motor that I'm replacing, but on that is a wiring harness assembly which has the control board, and then it goes to the trigger switch, and then from there it goes to the battery connector. Where'd that go? Right, get that done. Now, got that done. Oh, no way. No way. Okay, this needs to go. Okay. Really? Goes one on there like that. And one goes like that. Tell me about it. Okay, this goes in there. This goes on there. That goes in there. This sits on there. This goes there. Okay. Where's the other one? All right, there we go. Looks like it worked. So I got this in the mail, and something about this didn't work. I guess I could check, see if it's a connection or the little board or the motor. But something didn't work. And that worked on the old one, so I was able to take that out of the old one and put it in the new. So now I've got a case and a new gear. This gear that was messed up seems to be functioning again. So, and I called or emailed the guy that I bought this from, the new one, the new used one, and let's see if I can get a little bit of a refund since it didn't work, because I was given to understand that it worked, but maybe I was wrong. Anyway, that's a wrap.